it broken? Why is it broken? What's wrong with it? What's missing?
The colors.
The colors? So it's
Black
broken?
and white.
Why is it black and white?
I
Is it broken?
Try to fix it.
Can you fix my TV?
don't know. No.
Why?
Okay.
Have you ever seen a movie that looked like this before?
Oh wait, there's color. Oh no, it went away.
You messed it up again. You gotta fix it.
Go fix it again. No, not yet. Oh, there it
there
goes.
it is.
Oh, you let go.
Check the thing in the back. Oh, there it is.
There it is.
There
Oh.
Oh, I think it's just broken now for good. Oh. Oh.
I'm holding it.
I don't think you're holding the right spot.
Check for a different button in the back. Oh, there it is.
There we go.
Oh.
What are you doing?
You pressed something and it made it work, but then it went black and white again.
I don't know. Maybe I will say it. How old are you anyway?
Why did it do that?
I don't know. That's weird. What if your TV turned black and white too?
Go check, quick.
Oh no, how?
On the saturation on the menu button.
Oh, we don't have a TV remote for that TV.
That would be awesome. Just make them think that every TV's out.
Oh yeah.
Sir, by train, please.
A pox upon me for a clumsy lout. Your caboose, me lady.
You may kiss my hand.
Is it working?
No?
Let me see it.
Hey, Mary.
There we go.
Oh, there it is. Oh.
I didn't do anything.
I think the TV's just broken.
Go check your TV. Is it black and
It
white?
keeps going to color and then black and white.
Go see, quick. Go check if it's yours is black and
Oh,
white.
no, George, don't. It's full of romance, that little place.
Is it?
Oh, this one's in color now.
I wouldn't live in as a ghost. Now watch. It's right in the second.
Oh.
Maybe it's you.
Maybe you just make it go into color.
What'd you wish, George?
Maybe you have a power.
I don't.
Maybe you do.
I know what I'm going to do
No, he doesn't.
a year after that. I'm shaking the dust of this crummy little
It
town.
don't work.
And I'm going to see the
I don't
world.
have the power.
Italy, Greece, the Parthenon, the Colosseum.
Maybe all the colors got sucked out into the Christmas tree.
And then I'm going to build.
It don't
I'm
even
going to build
work.
airfields. I'm going to build skyscrapers 100.
It's in color now.
I'm going to build
What?
houses a mile long.
It don't turn color. That's the colors. My Christmas tree.
Yep, they got sucked out, I think.
Hey, that's pretty good. What'd you wish, Mary?
Is he allowed to have cookies too?